Most premium car companies have in-house restoration shops that help provide parts and complete restorations to owners of classic models from the marques. Ferrari has one, Lamborghini has one, Mercedes-Benz has one. Now Mazda will have one, and it will be focused on the Mazda Miata, also known as the MX-5 in Europe, and the Roadster in Japan. And although some might think the Miata is too new for restoration, remember that it was launched in 1989, so it's closing in on 30 years old. Japanese nostalgic car broke the news of the restoration service, which will start accepting applications for restoration service this year, with the first work being done at the start of 2018. Mazda explains on its site, Google Translate is recommending, that owners of first-generation Miatas were telling the company they really wanted to restore and maintain their little convertibles for as long as they could, which is what prompted the company to pursue the service. Before offering it to customers, the company did a trial restoration of an early Miata, Roadster in Japan. Once Mazda starts restorations, it said the services will be tailored to the individual cars. In addition to restoration services, Mazda announced it will also start selling reproduction parts for first-generation Miatas. On the list of parts are new tops, Nardi wood steering wheels and shift knobs, and even the original-style Bridgestone tires. The company also said that it will add more parts later depending on which ones are most in demand. Unfortunately, according to Japanese Nostalgia Car, the service will only be available to owners in Japan for the time being. The service will also only be for first-generation models. But perhaps if the program is successful, and there's demand for other regions and generations, Mazda might expand the service.